Many of you will have heard of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, an offering by Dassault Systems, the parent company of SOLIDWORKS. Here we aim to describe the platform and its use cases and how it integrates with SOLIDWORKS. To try and describe the platform, I've added a few words and phrases to the screen. These are some of the things I believe best describe 3DEXPERIENCE. Ultimately, it is a cloud-based web portal accessed by a website address using login credentials. Once logged in, you will have access to a number of applications based upon the subscription and licensing you have signed up for. Rather than the traditional licensing and serial keys that you get with SOLIDWORKS Desktop, 3DEXPERIENCE uses a roles-based approach. As an engineer, you may have roles allowing you to link SOLIDWORKS into the platform, or use some of the native cloud-based design applications. But colleagues from other departments may have access to different tools to do their job, such as project management. The common set of tools all users have access to will allow general collaboration on the platform. This could take the form of sharing files with teams, so everyone is always working on the latest version. You can build communities and discussion boards to allow project work to have ideas tracked and questions answered in one referenceable place. The portal itself can be fully customized. You can build dashboards to display the information you need. This could be statistics and metrics, news feeds, embedded third-party websites. Part of these dashboards can also be the full applications such as viewers for 3D models or cloud-based 3D CAD apps that run from within the browser. The design of these dashboards could almost serve as a homepage you start with each day to catch up on messages from your team, but then launch into the applications to do your day-to-day work. Many of us are used to cloud-based platforms, online banking for example, but comparisons can also be drawn from many of the other tools we are already using day in, day out. Take Google for example. I am sure all of us at some point have used their products on the web. We use the Chrome browser and log into our Google accounts to check email, review our YouTube subscriptions, launch into Google Docs to collaborate, store files within Google Drive, or find our way with Maps. Each of their apps sit within the platform, with you as the user moving between them seamlessly. Amazon equally allows us to interact with their online platform for shopping, streaming video and music, and reading or listening to audiobooks. As well, in doing this through your PC and laptop, you'll have the respective apps on your smartphones and tablets. And then finally, Microsoft. Most of us using Windows as our underlying operating system, but there are plenty of online tools too. Some of us use the Edge web browser, manage our email through Outlook, access Office 365, and collaborate using Microsoft Teams. As established and mature these tools are, one thing they don't have is integration with CAD and engineering. Their file sharing tools don't have the understanding of file references between SOLIDWORKS parts, assemblies, and drawings. There is no transparent revision, workflow management, or engineering change. This is where 3DEXPERIENCE can come in. It will allow SOLIDWORKS desktop products to be connected to the cloud platform and beyond, allowing you to expand into cloud-based data management, simulation, and manufacturing tools. The product portfolio available to the SOLIDWORKS user is collectively known as 3DEXPERIENCE Works. These are selected roles or bundles of cloud applications that fit the general day-to-day tasks of the SOLIDWORKS user. You can manage your data using online tools drawn from the Innovia suite of products. You can design in SOLIDWORKS connected to the cloud, or in native browser-based tools that complement SOLIDWORKS Desktop as we know today. For those pushing the capabilities of our current desktop simulation tools, there are modules based on the Abacus solver. And finally, cloud-based manufacturing applications for 2.5D to 5-axis machining. Finally, as a brief breakdown of the offerings, here we have a list of some of the roles currently on offer. The Foundation Collaborative Business Innovator role would be used by everyone, allowing communication to happen with colleagues. This can then be bundled with data management and task assignment through Industry Innovator. 2 native cloud-based CAD applications, SOLIDWORKS XDesign and XShape. These are both alternative and complementary solutions to SOLIDWORKS Desktop. XShape, for example, allowing the creation of free-form organic shapes through subdivisional modeling. The SOLIDWORKS Desktop integration is the collaborative designer for SOLIDWORKS, allowing full data management and revision control of your CAD files. Project Planner will distribute tasks and deadlines to your team to help the project stay on track with Gantt charts and task dependencies. Then there are the advanced simulation and manufacturing modules, allowing SOLIDWORKS designs to move into virtual testing and machining. But even with only the entry-level role, Collaborative Business Innovator helps keep your team up to date with the latest information, rather than disjoint email conversations where people may be out of the loop or reviewing an out-of-date attachment. 3D Swim is the community hub of the platform to ask questions, post updates, create surveys and review best practices with Wikipedia-style reference articles that can be created and maintained by you. 3D Play and 3D Drive will allow you to share files and keep them up to date. The embedded viewer works for 3D models like e-drawings, so you can measure, section and annotate, but also acts as a reader for PDF files, video content and more. Update the file in 3D Drive and all users with access receive the revised version in 3D Play. And then if you need to access third-party information, most websites can be embedded into 3DEXPERIENCE, so these other tools are retained in this one single user interface. The tools are being enhanced regularly, with lots of user-driven requests being considered and implemented, so we're excited about the toolsets available to us on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. If you need any further information, please don't hesitate to get in touch.